Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Thursday. What's Thursday known for? We have Taco Tuesday, we have Whiskey Wednesday. What's Thursday? We'll figure it out. Okay. Last night I prepared a elk and potato pie, also known as beef and potato pie, but because I had elk in the freezer, supplied by my brother-in-law George, I used elk. It came out great. I had to get it done at a certain time because Robin had a meeting in the evening. So she loved it. I think she took some for leftovers today. I'm not sure. I don't know what she does. So today I'm doing clam chowder, one of my favorite soups. It's not just for Friday and Saturday nights in restaurants. So let's take a look what I got going on. Okay, we're starting with a leek, bacon, onions, celery, bay leaf, heavy cream, chicken stock, garlic, of course, clams, clam juice, butter. The green onions are basically for garnish, some baby red potatoes, kosher salt, dried thyme, white pepper, and some flour. And there's the recipe. So that's what I've got going on today. What are you cooking today? Are you going out? Staying home? Leftovers? What you got going? I hope you have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.